What's up, everybody? We're going through the junk drawer today. We got the old handle, right? What's gonna happen? I got that little brass fixture. I'm using it as a mold, as my OBS to make my plastic blank. HDPE number 2, but I got that thing from the resale shop for like $1. I figured it's metal. It can hold its shape pretty well, but wonder what to do. All right, enough horsing around. We know it's going to be a hammer. We're going to get hammered today, folks. So let's get to it. I need a little bit more control, and the bandsaw just wasn't cutting it. Actually, what had happened was I was working on a different project. I believe it was an HDPE project, and the bandsaw band for the wheel broke, so I had to resort to other means. I had like a duress to tip. You got to use what you got, and you got to problem solve when you can. And so I was like, let's just brace the grinder and get to it. Later on, you know what I'm saying, I got the band in the mail. It came, I replaced it, but I still had everything set up. So I was like, I'm just gonna go hybrid with it. I'm gonna use the grinder to get the bulk. Since it is so hard too, I just don't want to. I don't have good blades. That's probably why my bandsaw band on the wheel broke in the first place, because it was working too hard. So I do this in a 2-step process just to just to explain my weirdness. There we go. We're nicking the edges right. It leaves a real sharp edge for that plastic, so we're just busting it out. Yeah, get the floppy. We're flopping it, getting the excess, trimming it up, right? There we go. There's my little knife, my little utility knife. Trimming it, taking my time. You get the idea. There it is. We have a block. Hooray! Now we got to drill it out. We got to get the slot in hole B. You know what I mean? Slot A into hole B. We're gonna get in the B hole. There we go. We're gonna mark it up. Look at this. That's plastic too, baby. I use my plastic to repair the crank on my drill press, so that's pretty nice. All right, so we're getting the center piece out. We're gonna flush it up as much as I can. I just got the file in there. Got the knife to get the edges nice and rounded over. I'm just cleaning it up. That way I can get that handle up in there. Hammer in the hammer, and then we're gonna nick off the edge. Boom! Take the tip off with Moyle-like precision. All right, so we got that ready. Might as well use the grinder. I just got a little piece of spare steel that came off of who knows what, but that's my nail. We're driving it in, that way we can get it nice and tight. But I use this for the wood lathe so that I can hammer on the wood onto the spur without marring it. It works pretty nice. All right, thanks for watching.